we created a wild product. SUGON T16 Welding Platform. It is like life. Breathing means that it is in operation. It seems that there is a fire in the body ready to go. With a steady stream of power, let it move at high speed. The super stable CPU provides it with accurate computing power every time. Make it work accurately. The kernel operates accurately and is almost ready to use. Provide you with every comfortable working experience. The protection function can be activated in case of danger to avoid loss. These powerful capabilities. Everything comes from the powerful core of T16.